If you still present yourself as someone who offers video or photo services, you already lost a client. Because in 2025, clients don't want content. They want what the content does for their business. In this video, we're gonna make a critical mind shift from selling what you make to selling what they get, and why this single change will transform your income, your client base, and your entire business model. Stick around, because towards the end, I'm breaking down the most powerful offer shift I've ever made and how it turned my camera into a contract closing tool. But first, go ahead and roll that intro real quick. I'll wait. What's good? It's your boy Ty Turner, former Army combat photographer and the founder of Flash Film Academy. Before I move forward, let me make this very clear. This ain't one of those YouTube channels run by a guru living off brand deals while selling you pipe dreams. We don't sell fantasies. We build profitable content businesses. Everything we teach is battle tested in the field and used to land real clients, real contracts, and real results by me and real Flash Film Academy members actively in the trenches. Now let's talk about why presenting yourself as a video service provider or a photographer in 2025 is actually costing you contracts. And then we're going to talk about how to fix it. Now listen, too many creatives are selling the wrong thing. You're pitching, I shoot video, I do edits, I provide a photo package with 15 images and 3 reels. But here's the problem. None of that connects with what the client actually wants. Clients don't want video. They don't want photo. They want more leads, better employee retention, higher conversions, faster onboarding, stronger trust with customers. If your offer doesn't connect directly to one of these business goals or the business goal of your niche client, you're just another content creator fighting over scraps. Now, inside Flash Film Academy, we help you determine the right niche for your skill set, current equipment and location, as well as local market demand, using AI and real-time tools so you're not just guessing what works. We also train you to speak the language of businesses. So when you pitch, you're not asking for work, you're solving problems. What we're talking about isn't about sneaky, clever copy. It's about reframing your entire identity. You are not just a filmmaker or a photographer. You are a creative business partner who uses visuals to solve real-world problems. The moment you stop offering content and start offering outcomes, you stop chasing clients and start closing them. So let's talk about what you should offer instead. High-value clients want high results. So your offer needs to sound like this. We help whatever audience solve whatever business problem through content systems designed to deliver measurable results. Not I make videos, but we build onboarding systems that cut training time in half using branded video content. That's how you do it. Up next, don't say I shoot product photos. First off, you should be speaking French. We create e-commerce media libraries designed to improve buyer confidence and reduce return rates. You see how that sounds? And we also want to make sure we're backed by data and not guesswork. Now, inside Flash Film Academy, our members have access to a curated list of AI tools that help you pitch like a strategist, not a freelancer. Because freelancers are too close to starving artists. We don't want that. Now, these tools will help you research your client's specific business pain points, craft value-driven outcome-based proposals, identify trending video topics and content ideas, and most importantly, accurately predict gaps in the industry and what's in demand for your niche client's audience. This is powerful data that allows you to directly tie their pain point to your solution. Sitting down in front of a client in 2025 with visual statistical proof of their problem, that alone kills your competition, who's out here selling cinematic shots and pretty pictures. Bro, we not the same. It also justifies your pricing, remove the need to negotiate, and shows why you're the one worth investing in without saying a word about specs. Now, let me give you some more mind shift examples that win clients. First, we do social content. No, we don't. We build micro content ecosystems to help brands increase engagement across every platform. You see what I did there? We make promos and interviews. No, we don't. We produce messaging assets that help sales teams build trust before the first meeting. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Okay, good. Next, I do editing and post. Nah, that ain't gonna work. We streamline content repurposing so your team gets more reach with less effort. You see what I did there? That sounds way better. Anyway, once you shift your mindset, the next step is changing how you communicate your value. In part 2, I'm giving you 10 exact phrases that reframe your offer, but in the client's language. Phrases that build trust, justify your price, and close bigger deals faster. And inside the Academy, you'll also get access to our content positioning phrase book with plug and play lines designed to shift your proposal from content creator to preferred partner. Huge difference. You need to know the difference. Listen, we live in a world where every business around you need content. Why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, go ahead and join Flashfilm Academy so you can be a part of this growing team that's turning content creators into strategic partners. Because guess what? That's where the money at. And if you're not pivoting, if you don't understand it, if you're not aware of where things are going, if you're not using AI tools to help you get there, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. I wish I can give you some great advice. The only advice I can give you is put your gear on Facebook Marketplace and try to get some money for it while you can, or be comfortable being a hobbyist. If you like it, I love it. But over here, listen, we getting that bag. So you can be a part of it or you can watch us do it. Anyway, until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. For my members, we about to get busy over on part 2, because I got some stuff I need to show you it's gonna blow your mind. Go ahead and watch it right now. It's available. If this is available, that's available. Anyway, I gotta go. We gotta go into the Academy and we gotta take the gloves off and keep it real. See y'all in the next one.
Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Cribero, owner of Brothers of the Lens. And before joining Flashfilm Academy, the most I ever charged for a project was maybe $800. Today, that number is over $50,000 with lifetime sales of over $400,000. Is FlashFilmAcademy.com worth it? You tell me. Since then, I've left my job, I work for myself, and I was able to buy my own home. Yeah, it's worth it.